Welcome to my channel. Netgear Dual Band 6 Access Point WAX615. Unbox the device, take out the WAX615 power adapter, if included, and mounting accessories. Choose installation location, place the AP in a central, well-ventilated area for optimal coverage. Power up the AP, use PO, Power over Ethernet, or a power adapter to turn on the device. Connect to network, plug an Ethernet cable from your router or switch into the LAN port. Check LED indicators, wait for the power and network LEDs to turn solid green, indicating readiness. Access web interface, connect a device to the AP's default Wi-Fi or via Ethernet, then open 192.168.0.100 in a browser. Login and configure, use the default credentials, admin/password, and follow the setup wizard to configure Wi-Fi and security settings. Update firmware, check for and install the latest firmware for better security and performance. Test Wi-Fi connection, connect a device to the new Wi-Fi network and ensure stable internet access. Mount and optimize, securely mount the AP, adjust settings, band steering, channel selection, and monitor via the Netgear Insight app.